Hi guys, this is Abid. Textures plays a beautiful role in fabric painting. Hot wax create amazing visual textures with the help of different materials. For example, different sizes of the brushes, wires, sponge, dry grass, blocks and net. In this video, I tried to create textures in very simple way. You can use these textures in your batik painting. You can find different materials from your surroundings and utilize them in your batik art. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Let's start the video. Take any thick cotton piece and fold the fabric 2 times and cut the circle according to the wax pot bottom and place these pieces in the wax pot. Pour the hot wax on the fabric. Make sure add enough hot wax so that the fabric can absorb this wax. Now put the wax pot on the lamp stand. Spread any polythene sheet on the tabletop and place the fabric on it. Today I am using cotton net fabric. You can use any fabric for this texture. Today I am taking impression of wooden carved block. Put the block in the wax pot for few seconds to set the temperature of the wood and then take the impression on the fabric. You can also place the folded rough fabric under the polythene sheet for better result. If you are working on large size fabric, take impressions and stretch the fabric on the frame and then wet your fabric before painting. I have made a video on it. Check the suggested video link on the top right side of the screen and you can find the link in the video description. Complete the impressions of the blocks and then stretch the fabric on the wooden frame and paint it. Let the fabric dry after painting. When the colors dry out, remove the wax from the fabric. I have already made a video on it. You can get the link from this video description. Wax is removed now. Iron the batik piece 4 to 7 minutes. I used iron fixed silk paints in this video. If you are using silk dyes, iron the fabric according to the suggested video and follow the instructions given on the dyes label. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.